Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the blue background and CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to add one image and I'm going to remove the background and I want to add the blue background to my clips and click on the clip, select cutout, select auto cutout for remove the background, or, or just click on OK and select color picker and select color you like to remove. So I think I want to select auto cutout. Alright, and after done, you are just going to select basic and scroll down, select canvas and select color, just for the color you like. So going to add blue color like so. Here we go. So this is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.